Well, the insurance company has indicated that they are going to total Sarah. The age of the vehicle and the fact that it is no longer being built, that back passenger door is something that's extremely difficult to find. And if they can't find one for a reasonable price, the insurance company is going to total it. Anyone who's traveled in the Midwest has come across a dust devil. I got my camera up and was going to catch it from the side, but as you can see, it dissipated fairly quickly. Probably even more rare would be to come across something like this. It even had a dial tone.
It's really nice whenever you find a good camping spot, and I would definitely consider this a good camping spot. There is a pond or a lake here, small lake, boat ramp right there. I'm standing on a pier that you can bring your boat to and launch. There's a pier across the lake, and then there's also tables and places to camp on the other side. And it has a vaulted toilet. However, one thing that I would say as a public service announcement, whenever you are camping, you should bring garbage bags. And if there are no trash cans available in the area, then if nothing else, carry your garbage out. Please don't just throw your garbage on the ground, or worse, throw it in the toilet. Now, I'm not gonna stick my camera down there, but there are beer cans and trash in that vaulted toilet. Please don't do that. It would take away from the opportunity for people like me to actually be able to use places like this.
After the beet harvest, as I was headed down to Texas, I decided to stop off at my cousin's house in Oklahoma. They were very cordial and offered me a room, but I assured them that I would probably be more comfortable setting up in my own rig. So I found a spot in the yard, and at this point I just wanted to do a little bit of practice with my 35mm camera. I'm still familiarizing myself with all of its functions. After a day or so of great company, I got my things together and prepared to head out. Unfortunately for me, I did not choose wisely whenever I found a spot to park Sarah. I blame nobody but myself for this accident, and the circumstances are such that nobody ever parks there, and my cousin was distracted by a phone call just as she was walking out to head for work, and she just backed into it. Water under a bridge now, there's nothing left but to get Sarah back to San Antonio and get her turned into a body shop. The body shop that I went with was Classic Collision in Live Oak. With a rental car available to me, I basically just took the opportunity to travel around and visit with friends and family while I was waiting on word of the repair. Unfortunately, the word that I received was that the insurance company was planning on totaling the vehicle. Now, because it is an older vehicle that is no longer in manufacture, the insurance company is considering writing it off, primarily because of the difficulty of finding very specific parts. Unfortunately, their decision is based solely on the market value of the vehicle.
Gathering up a little bit of sun here, huh? Looking good.
It's my contention that they should take into consideration the aftermarket value of what I put into the build. And Rosalind, my service writer, said she's going to do everything she can to make sure that they do that.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly, Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
All the best, always.
Wanna come down to the underground old school? Here's a shovel, can you dig it, fool?